Welcome back to app tutorial. In this video I will show you how you can link your cards on the PayPal app. It's a pretty simple process, so I hope you find this video helpful. First of all, open the PayPal app and log into your account. After you log in, you will find a screen like this. Then go to wallet. In the wallet section, you will find this plus icon on the right side of cards. In order to add new cards, tap on this plus sign. Then you will have options to either add your bank account or any debit and credit cards. Since we are linking a card, we'll go for debit and credit cards. Now you can either scan your card or enter your card info manually. Let's go for enter your card info. Then after, you will have to enter your card number and other details. After that, simply tap on link card. When you do that, the card details that you entered will be linked with your PayPal account, and hence you will find your debit or credit card attached with your PayPal. After successfully linking, the card details will appear in the card section. So this is how you can link a card on PayPal. Well, that concludes our video. Make sure to leave a like if you found this helpful and subscribe to the channel for further videos.